So what first thought come when you offered this project?
This project,
Yeah.
it was a dream role for me, for any actor, to play Salim. And from the very first day, I knew it that I'm gonna do it. It took me a little time to actually sign on the dotted lines, but I knew that I'm gonna do it.
Any specific preparation you have done to go get under the skin of the character?
See, for me, the main thing is to know what all he went through. The character sketch, basically. What was his frame of mind when he was going through all that? What was going on in his head? That's the only way I can portray it. If I know what was he thinking about, or what was his approach towards things. So that's what I try to understand and learn what he was doing.
And apart from Salim and Anarkali, any love story that you guys kind of feel for or is important or inspires you? Any other love stories?
Any other love stories?
Love stories
Are you
always
pointing
in.
at something specific?
No, nothing. Any classic love stories, yeah.
Love stories, I feel, are always. You're always attracted to love stories. You're always in a mood for love stories. There's no. Love
See,
stories are love stories.
people ask me that today's generation will not be able to connect with this show, maybe. But I think that's not the case.
Ah, right.
That's not the case. People still love that feeling. Yeah, the feeling of
love
falling in love.
story attracts everybody at any given point. You know, they are surely going to come and watch love stories.
Okay, lastly, we just wanted to know what was your reaction, the reaction when you got to know that he's going to be Salim or you're going to be Anarkali, starting from
Reaction क्या होता है मतलब?
What was the thought with
No.
anything? Not the specific reaction, but anything.
No, I'd heard good things about him.
Seriously? About me?
And
For the first
about
time.
him being a very good actor. So I was pretty excited to, associate with him on this project.
Okay, what about you?
We were in a process actually to figure out who's going to be Anarkali. And there was one moment in which Amitabh, he was associated with this show, but he's not anymore. And we had this look, and in that very first moment, we knew it, that she is going to be Anarkali. Yeah, actually, her face was actually covered with her dupatta. I still remember that shot, and both of us were like, she's the one.
And Amitabh to yelled right across the room, like, "Yehi hai meri Anarkali."
Yeah.
And Sonarika, there will be a lot of dance sequences. So how
Yeah.
are you prepping up for that?
See, for now, I've only trained for 15 days. That's all I could squeeze and manage. But I do plan on, really getting into it now. Yeah.
When we talk about the body language and the language that you have to speak in the show, तो उसके लिए क्या preparations किए हैं आप लोगों ने?
कोई खास प्रिपरेशन नहीं है. कनीस है, so she knows कि she is always a lot at a very lower stature as compared to of course Salim and Akbar and Jodha. तो कुछ नहीं, बस उनके सामने तो जी हुजूरी करनी है. And otherwise she's a very bubbly, chirpy character who will be playing around with her friends and
Yeah. Is there any Anarkali or Salim in your life, both of you?
Any Salim?
Anyone?
Any Anarkali?
no.
I wish I live in
Any last message to the fans? Yeah.
See, it's going to be an amazing show. If you have ever been in love, or you love that feeling, or you want to feel that feeling, you
Come
should
watch
be
us.
watching this
Yeah.
show. You should be watching this show because it will be a very different take, and it will be beautifully presented to you guys with the feeling of falling in love.
Right.
Any last word from you?
Yeah, and it's there have been a lot of comparisons, but this is a very fresh take on the love story, and we're bringing something new to the table, and it's not something that people. As you see, we've got beautiful sets and beautiful people, so I think it's a winner for us, and I hope the audiences like it as much as we do.
8:30 colors.
8:30 colors.
Thank you so much.